Hey, it's Steve from Chiefskills, and I'm going to do a series of quick videos on a number of ways to put tile on the ceiling of a shower. You would think that was pretty simple, but it really isn't. And I'll probably touch on a few other little things here as I go through it. But the first method is to just use Polyline Solids, because if you're into creating conducts for people, just plan sets, it'll be the fastest way. And what you can do here is just click in here in the room, and this shower wall, see, has created a room definition right here. If you're not getting room definition, then just double click this wall and make sure that this is unchecked, no room definition. So when you have your room here, you can come down here and just make a room polyline and just click that, and you'll get a polyline with little handles, edit handles right on it. And I would pull it out to the face of the shower wall. And then come down here while it's still selected and click on the convert polyline and convert it to a polyline solid. And then make it, I don't know, like 3/8, 0.375, and from the finished floor, 107.625. I happen to know that because it's my plan here and I know what I'm doing, but you might want to check your room finish ceiling height before you start, because that's where that dimension right there comes from. And click OK, and there you go. You can see it in the 3D over here. And then just take your eyedropper, click on your tile here, and paint it, and you have tile on the ceiling. It's that simple. Now you might say, but what if I have a bulkhead? Well, even in 3D here, you can do this and then come down here to transform replicate, which I'm not even sure where that is. I think this is it right here. I have a hotkey 00 for it. And you can move it down, and it's in the Z direction, so go -12. And then in the plan view, click and get that polyline again, and then come over here and say copy, paste, and place. And then open it for edit and make it 12 and 107.625 to the top, and click OK. And there you go. And then take your eyedropper in 3D here, click on the drywall, and then click on that, and it'll look like a bulkhead. And it's that easy. Now the light is a different story. If you want to put a recessed light in the shower, let's get a recessed light here, vapor light, and then click on it. You have to do it over here, and oh shoot, sorry about that, folks. Click here and say yes, you want to see it, open it, and move it down 12 inches. And that didn't work, did it? Maybe 12.375. There we go. There you go. 12 plus the tile. That's right. So that's how easy that is. You do have to control the elevation of the light when you use Polyline Solids for these things. And then, if you really want to be creative, you can take a molding polyline and double click on it. And that's a polyline. My fault. A molding polyline right here, and as you can see, it has a molding attached to it already. Go here and delete that and add new, and just put -001, which is just a rectangular molding, and then make it 0.375 by 107.625, and I think inside the polyline. And then click on this one and come down here and say remove molding from that edge, and then click these and drag them over to your drywall, busy work here, over to the drywall, and then grab this triangle and maybe pull it back to the face of your shower wall here. And then in 3D, take your eyedropper, get your tile, paint it, shower's done. It's pretty fast using Polyline Solids. So anyway, I thought I'd do that quick thing. I want to point out one thing here about my wall that I used for this. As you can see, I don't have any Z-fighting here with the framing or anything. That is because if you look at this wall type that I've created, it's called Interior 4 Tile at Shower, and it's a single layer just with tile. And so you're not fighting the framing. If you create one with layers, you know, like backer board, mortar, tile, when you place this door in here, you might see the framing actually trying to pierce through here. And you can cover that up with a P-Solid if you want, but I just find this a little easier. Also, to get rid of the baseboard on this wall, just go to the General tab of the wall and click right here, No Room Moldings. So the baseboard will remove itself from that wall. So there you go, quick tip on showers. And I'm going to do another one on using soffits. And so if you're interested in watching that, look for that and take a look. Thanks for watching.